Hello, everyone. If this is your first time visiting our channel, then welcome. If you have been here before, then welcome back. We are The English Effect, and this is Streaming or the Cinema, your guide to talking about movies in English. Whether you're a film fanatic or just enjoy a good story, today's lesson is for you. We'll learn essential vocabulary, talk about movie genres, and explore how we watch films today. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the words you might want to know when discussing movies. I'll introduce 8 key terms. For each one, you'll see the word, its definition, and an example sentence. Ready? Let's go. Number 1, hang out. This means to spend relaxed, informal time with friends without a specific plan. It's a very common phrasal verb. For example, you might say, after the film, we decided to hang out at the cinema cafe and discuss the ending. Perfect for making plans. Next up, popcorn. You know this one, right? It's the classic movie snack. And in a sentence, you can't watch a movie at the theater without getting a big bucket of salty popcorn. So true. You can't watch a movie at the theater without a big bucket of salty popcorn. Word 3, crisis. This means a very difficult, dangerous, or urgent situation. In movies, characters often face a crisis. For example, the main character faces a personal crisis when he has to choose between his career and his family. The main character faces a personal crisis. It adds drama to the story. Number 4, pandemic. This is a word we all learned well in recent years. It changed how we watch movies. For instance, during the pandemic, many people watched films at home, a big change for the film industry. Number 5, by far. We use this phrase to make a strong comparison, to emphasize that something is the best, the biggest, or the most. Like this, that superhero movie is by far the most expensive ever made. It leaves no doubt. Word 6, popularity. This noun describes the state of being liked by many people. We often talk about the popularity of trends. For example, the popularity of streaming services has changed everything, a key word for our topic today. Demand can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, it means a strong desire or need for something. Think about a very popular film. There was such high demand for tickets that the website crashed. That's a lot of fans. And our final vocabulary word, turn down. This phrasal verb means to refuse or say no to an offer. An actor might have to do this. She had to turn down the role. It's a polite way to say you can't accept something. Great job. Those are our 8 key words: hang out, popcorn, crisis, pandemic, by far, popularity, demand, and turn down. Try using one in a comment below this video. Now, a quick but important pronunciation tip. Did you notice the phrasal verbs hang out and turn down? In phrasal verbs, the stress is usually on the second word. Listen, hang out, turn down, not hang out or turn down. Try it with me. Hang out. Turn down. Excellent. Now, let's talk about the different types of movies, or what we call genres. Knowing these helps you describe what you like to watch. First, action movies. These are fast, exciting films with stunts, fights, and chases. The hero often has to save the day. If you love big explosions, you love action movies. Next, comedy. The goal is simple, to make you laugh. After a long day, I just want to relax with a light comedy. Then we have drama. These are serious films about realistic characters and emotional situations. A powerful drama about a family's struggles can be very moving. Horror films are designed to scare you. They often have monsters or supernatural events. I never watch horror films alone at night. I get too scared. And a musical, the story is told through song and dance. Characters might suddenly start singing in the street. It's full of energy. Sci-fi, or science fiction, is set in the future or in imagined worlds. Think about space travel, aliens, and advanced technology. These films ask big questions about the future. A documentary is a non-fiction film. It teaches you about a real topic, like animals, history, or science. You watch a documentary to learn fascinating facts. And finally, the Western. These are usually set in the 19th century American frontier, with cowboys, horses, and epic landscapes. A classic story of good versus evil. So, which genre is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Do you prefer action or maybe a good documentary? Here's an interesting did you know fact. The way we watch movies is changing quickly. Research shows for teenagers, the amount of traditional TV watched has halved in the last 5 years. Instead, they're streaming on laptops, tablets, and even smartphones on the bus. The demand for convenient, on-demand viewing is growing. Learning English is a bit like watching a movie. Sometimes you need to focus on the small details, the vocabulary words, the grammar. And other times, you just need to sit back, listen, and enjoy the whole story through conversation. Both parts are important for your journey. That's all for today's lesson on streaming or the cinema. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please help our community grow by giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. We look forward to seeing you again in our next lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.